gate as the Vidio Balapan Marquez over the gate. He's now on that short turn number 9. Marquez is scoring again. Look at the inside of Andreas. He shuts the door in turn number 9. Andreas the inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. Is that the Vidio? I think it is. The Vidio's going in now. Andreas the Vidio with the magnificent race here in Austria. The Marquez, what he have done it again. Inside, the Marquez is where he needs to be. Is that the Vidio? I think it is. Justin Harsing, Marquez out of the seat. Marquez, big mistake as he came through turn number 8. It's not over yet. Andreas can close right up as they come through turn number 9. Lucky man, Marquez, but he held on to it as he often does, and Vidio was not able to take the advantage. Up towards the hairpin they come. Time is running out for the Ducati and Vidio. Inside the Marquez. Short final, couple of corners coming up. Vidio pulls out the slipstream. He's attacking up the inside of Marquez. Can he make it through? Vidio leads in Japan. He's got through. He's through the tunnel. They're coming up towards the big curve. Turn 12, Andreas Vidio. He mugged Marquez on the last lap in Austria. Marquez comes through the final corner. Is he going to run wide? Is history repeating itself like in Austria? Vidio has done it here in Japan. His 5th victory of the season. The champion. The second classic last lap showdown of the year between Vidio and Marquez. And again, it's Andreas Vidio that reigns supreme. Massive moment in the 2017 MotoGP World Championship. We can just about catch our breath. Petrucci on the podium in 3rd place. And dragging fifth. Jorge Lorenzo 6. Johan Vidio, and again he gets the better of Marquez in the final lap showdown. 3 successive second place finishes. Can he go one better? He's under serious pressure from the world champion.
Maneuvers where there aren't any. It's Marquez, the world champion. Rossi's desperate for these two to engage.
The inside of Marquez is where he needs to be. Brings it up to is that the Vidio? I think it is.
Brilliant edge grip, and he's so late on the brakes. Running out of chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Duffy or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets in front of Andreas Vidio. Going into that final couple of corners, can he strike at turn 15? Not close enough through these right-handers. He tries to close up under Vidio. He's going to go for it. You know Marquez is going to attack.
He's going to find a way somewhere. If it's 15 or if it's 16, it'll be one of those 2 corners that Marquez will pounce, and it's not turn 15.
It's not 15. He's close enough. Is he going to strike? Will it be a block pass to break up the Vidio? When he moves to the inside, Marquez. Here he comes out of the inside. It's the final call, the Qatar Grand Prix. The Vidio's getting on the comeback. It's all about the horsepower shootout now.
It's a repeat of Japan. So wins in the penny race of 2018. But what a race it was. Marquez finishes in second. He had to have a go, and he did. Rossi comes home in 3rd. A carbon copy of what we've seen before.
3 epic last quarter showdowns between Marquez and Andreas Vidio in the last.
Is that the Vidio?
Vidio on every occasion he has come out on top. Marquez gave his all. There was nothing left in the tank from the reigning world champion as he fought to try and win that opening Grand Prix of the year. He misses out by just 0.02 of a second. Finally, Andreas Vidio tastes victory here in Qatar in a MotoGP Grand Prix. Brilliant second place for Marquez. Cracking ride by Valentino Rossi in 3rd. The top 3 covered by less than 0.8 of a second.
Onto the straight we go. The Vidio then. He knows what Marquez has got over on that 4th and sector. Now then, breaking defensive line.
How good did Vidio get that? The caddy hooks up coming out the first corner. He was able to open up a good half a dozen wide legs of Marquez. But Marquez, he's lethal. He's a thing on the brakes. He makes a move. Never set in the braking zone for turn number 3.
He won't have a go into turn 4. It's too fast, but he's got a great line through turn 4. And now we go into turn 5. Is he going to have a go? Yes, he is. And that's brilliantly done by Marquez. But he goes wide. Vidio comes back through. He's got the inside line again, but he closes the door on it. The 2 Yamahas all of a sudden close up on the pair of them.
Vidio had his nose one truly wide there by Marquez. That was super aggressive from Marquez. Vinales and Rossi, they're fighting it out for the last place on the podium. Are they still fighting it out for a victory? Vidio find anything. They sweep now through turn number 9. Just 3 corners left through turn number 10. Vidio is going to do about the last corner. He's put out over Marquez so many times. Here comes Andreas Vidio. Dobby versus Marquez going into turn 12. Dobby. Marquez trying to get in touch.
What's going to happen? Oh, it is! It's done it! Vizio did to him in Austria last year.
Sweet, sweet revenge then for Marc.